okay, you find a way, just use your brain. Tumia Ubongo, just use your Ubongo. Ubongo Kids, Ubongo Kids, Ubongo Kids, Ubongo Kids. Tumia Ubongo, just use your Ubongo. Ubongo Kids, Ubongo Kids, Ubongo Kids, Ubongo Kids. We make hypotheses, experiment to test it, then gather up the data to see what we can learn. We are using science to learn about the world. We want to understand everything we can. We want to understand everything we can. We use our brains to know about the world. We use our brains to know about the world.
Come on and be a scientist. Here we go. We'll ask questions about things we want to know. We'll form a hypothesis. That's just a guess. We'll see if it's true through an experimental test. Use your brain to be a science star. Keep asking questions and you will go far. The scientific method lets us learn about the world. Now sing with me, all you scientist boys and girls.
If we have a question, we first research it. We make hypotheses, experiment to test it, then gather up the data to see what we can learn. We are using science to learn about the world. We want to understand everything we can. We want to understand everything we can. We use our brains to know about the world. We use our brains to know about the world. Scientists! We're scientists! Scientists! We're scientists! Scientists! We're scientists! Scientists! We're scientists!
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Kiduchu, found you.
You didn't close your eyes properly. How else could you have found me so quickly?
Stand here and look to your side.
Oh, that's how you saw me. The shadow. You're lucky. Without it, you would have searched and you would have still be searching.
Even if it annoys you, your shadow is with you wherever you go.
Wait, so what makes a shadow?
Why asking me?
I need to understand what makes shadows so that I can avoid it next time we play hide and seek.
Hey Kiduchu, look! There are people hiding in the water.
Koba, those are not people. That's our reflection.
And look! Kibana thinks she's a fish, hiding in the water. How is she breathing?
No, Koba, she's not in the water.
You don't understand reflection? I'll teach you.
Her reflection is reflected in the water by the light.
Oh, I get ya. Kibena, Kibena, we have seen you in the water. Kibena, Kibena, we have seen you. Kibena, come out. We already saw you in the water.
And I thought I had found a clever hiding spot behind the tree. This pool is like a mirror. It shows my reflection.
I was busted by my shadow.
Only Baraka left.
Baraka knows how to hide. All this time and we haven't found him? Today he's definitely the champion of hiding. Mama! Oh my gosh! Kibana! Kidochu! Wait for me!
Baraka, what's up?
I was hiding in a cave and I stepped on something.
Let's go see.
I went inside there.
Ah!
Don't be scared.
It's an owl.
Wait, how do you know me?
Aren't you the one who sings every night? Every time you sing, people think it's a witch doctor coming to bring bad tidings. You're very famous, Owl.
What was he doing in the caves?
I'm sorry. I just came to hide.
Why hide?
We were playing hide and seek. It's a fun game.
Can I play?
Look, guys, the sun's setting. It'll be dark in a few minutes and too hard to find anyone. We could be playing the game until morning trying to find each other in this darkness.
Don't worry. You guys hide. I'll find you.
Will you be able to? He won't see. It will be dark.
I'll do the counting like you guys do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Found you, Koba. Baraka, seen you. What's up?
What?
Found you. Found all you guys in no time.
Only Kuduchu left. She's probably hiding inside.
Let's look for Kiduchu together. She's not anywhere outside. Yeah, she must be hiding inside. She's not inside.
It was too dark to see anything. Really dark.
Let me go in and see. Kiduchu, seen you. Come on, let's go outside.
Owl, how did you find us so quickly?
Yeah, even I was wondering. How was he able to see Kiduchu when we couldn't because it's so dark out?
Bye, guys.
Owl, wait! Teach us how to search like you do.
Owl!
How was he able to see Kiduchu in the
owl
dark?
is so good. He saw us straight away.
It must be because he can fly. It's easy to see something on the ground when you're high above.
But I hid inside, and he still saw me.
You know what? There must be another way he sees us. What do you guys think?
Maybe he has good ears and heard us.
No way. I was so quiet. Or he saw our shadows like Baraka saw my shadow.
You can't see shadows if it is completely dark. Shadows can only be seen if there's light. If the light is blocked by an object, then a shadow is made.
Look, even now we can see our shadows. The light is what allows shadows to exist.
Oh, true. He must be able to see in the dark. Maybe if he had been carrying a torch. Owl's eyes are like a torch. So Owl sees in the dark. You didn't see me, but he did. His eyes are like torches.
Let's go find the owl and ask him.
But how do we find him? It's already dark.
Have a good life. Everyone must toil the land. Let's move forward by working with our hands. To have a good life, everyone must toil the land. Let's move forward by working with our hands.
Hello,
Mzee
Mzekigo.
Hello, children. Why are you out in the dark?
We can't find the owl because it's too dark. What should we do?
He left.
He left.
Take my torch because without light, you can't see. Light is your eye's best friend. So here you go. I'd like it back though.
Thank you, Mzekigo.
Will you turn that thing off? It's too bright. You'll blind me.
It's too dark. We can't see anything.
Well, I can see just fine, thank you.
Really? You can see in the dark?
Well, it's not completely dark out. Look, there's a bit of light from the moon, and my big eyes can pick up even the tiniest bit of light.
Cool! Owl has big eyes like yours. He must be able to see in the dark too, and that's why he beat us in our game.
Let's test this out to see if he can really see in the dark.
And how do we do that?
Let's lure him here with something he likes. We'll put in the dark, and if he comes, then it means he was able to see it.
Good idea. But what should we use?
Grasshoppers! Owls love to eat grasshoppers.
But how are we going to find grasshoppers in the dark?
Just leave it to me. I got you.
Let's tie the grasshoppers up on that rock over there. There's no way he could miss them, especially if he can't see in the dark.
Shh, keep quiet. I'll tell you when to turn on the light. Now!
Gotcha!
Owl, you tricked us. You wanted to play hide and seek with us at night because you knew that you will. You can see in the dark like bush babies. We have you all figured out. We're smart.
Ah, you have discovered my real secret. How did you figure it out?
It wasn't that hard. We just had to pinpoint the advantages you had over us. Basically, we figured out that you were cheating.
Like flying.
Or hearing well.
The only thing that would have helped you find all of us and these grasshoppers would be seeing in the dark.
You are some clever kids. Give me 5.
Does that mean you only see in the dark? That's why you sleep all day?
I also see in the light of the day. Remember we played together both during the day and at night?
Guys, it's really late. We need to get home. Hey, take the torch. We're going to try and move in the dark like you and the owl. Race you guys home.
Ouch!
Ow!
Ow! Ouch! Mama!
Light is truly a friend to our eyes. It was a good lesson today. Playing at night is really dangerous. And we haven't even returned Zeki.
You're right, Kibela. Next time, let's only play till 6 o'clock in the evening. But we've all learned a lot about light today for real.
And I had
Can
fun.
you see in the light? Why? 'Cause our eyes can see. Can you see in the light? Why? 'Cause our eyes can see with light. Oh. When it's dark, it's harder to see. Without the help of any light. True. When the darkness comes to set in, that's when our eyes have to adjust. Oh. When the darkness comes to set in, that's when our eyes have to adjust. How? Without the light, there is darkness. So let's try find different lights. Okay. Can you see in the light? Why? 'Cause our eyes can see with light. Oh. Can you see in the light? Why? 'Cause our eyes can see with light. Oh. Can you see in the light? Why? 'Cause our eyes can see with light. Oh. Can you see in the light? Why? 'Cause our eyes can see with light. Oh. Why? Oh.
There are many sources of light. We won't explain them all. We can only name a few.
Okay.
Would you help the darkness go? There's the biggest one of all, which is a sun up in the sky. It shines for us all day till it's time to go to sleep. Then comes his friend the moon to guide us through the night. The stars up in the sky in the darkness give sweet light. We can sit around a campfire and tell stories through the night. When we're silent with no power, we can use the candlelight. If we have electric power, we can switch on all the lights. Some animals don't need light to be able to see in the night. But the shadows need the light in order to appear. Reflections also need light in order to be seen. There are many sources of light. We won't explain them all.
Can you see in the light? Why? 'Cause our eyes can see with light. Oh. When it's dark, it's harder to see. Without the help of any light. True. When the darkness comes to set in, that's when our eyes have to adjust. Okay. Can you see in the light? Why? 'Cause our eyes can see with light. Oh. Can you see in the light? Why? 'Cause our eyes can see with light. Oh.
Hi, I'm Melody, and I act the voice of Tiny Temple. Do you believe me or not? So please listen and watch. I love smiling, I love math, and I love talking to other children. So please keep on watching Ubongo Kids. These are the Ubongo animators, and they're the people that take our voices into the cartoons. Hi, Rajab.
Hi Melody, how are you?
Fine. So Rajab, can you please show us how you take our voices and animate them and put them into the cartoon, please?
Okay. First of all, we start with the scripts. After the script has been developed, is whereby we prepare the storyboards. These storyboards are just like the sketches. Whereby maybe we can tell maybe if right now, like example, this one, Mzekigo here is digging the farm. So like they're just like the guidance which give the animators to know exactly which shots to animate and the audio how it goes. So after we prepare the storyboard is when we scan it and take the audio from the studio so that we can mix them together using a software. After we have mixed them together, we prepare the so-called animatic. After we have done the animatic, it's like we mix the audio with the sketches. Then each animator is given like this, something like this, like the animatic. Then after that is when we start to animate.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So how long do you think it takes to make one story?
One story takes like from about 2 weeks to 3 weeks. Yeah.
We will do great things with our lives when we get all our rights. Work to build peace and equality, where all people live with dignity. Let's build a better world together, protect our health, the land and sea, make lasting change for the better. We will take responsibility. We may be young, but we are still strong. Change that goes on and on. We will put our heads together, start a new day in a new way. We will build to forever. Our goals are set,
What is mathematics? Mental acrobatics every day, all the time. Just use your mind. You use math when you measure width and length, solving problems using mental strength. Use number operations like multiplication. The number you'll find is like magic from your mind. Math is a part of everyday life. Just add, subtract, divide, and multiply. Can you solve the problem? Did you get the answer? Just use your brain and you can do it, sir. Now, don't you rush it. Just take it slow. You must be careful. Don't you know? You use math for all things in life. When you eat ugali, you count your bites. In a parade, count the steps you take. Just listen when I rap. I'm using math. Calculate the distance when you drive your car, so you will know if you have gone far. Here's something else for you to count. Can you count the teeth in my mouth? We can measure width, length, and depth and represent with X, Y, and Z. Math is used for everything. Just do the numbers in your head. Now try to add up all the spots on my neck. How many do you see? And I even use math to get leaves off the tree.
Mathematics, mathematics, mathematics,
Okay.
Mathematics, how I love it. Mathematics, sing about the magic of mathematics. Mathematics, making number magic with mathematics. Mathematics, sing about the magic of mathematics. Mathematics,
Never miss out on new Ubongo Kids videos ever again. Subscribe today and become the first to know every time new fun educational content is available. Simply type Ubongo Kids English on the search bar. Click on the Ubongo Kids English channel page. Click subscribe on the right-hand corner of your screen. What are you waiting for? You are 3 easy steps away from joining the Ubongo Kids family.